Do you want to sound more like a native speaker? Mastering these 3 common phrasal verbs with get will instantly improve your daily conversations. Let's learn them. Get up, meaning stand up, wake up. Examples: I get up at 6 a.m. You get up early. Get up, please. We get up quickly. They get up slowly. What time do you get up? He gets up to eat breakfast. She gets up to leave. Get into, meaning become involved. Enter. Examples: I get into bed. You get into the car. We get into trouble. Don't get into fights. They get into the school at 8 a.m. I get into cooking. You get into music. Get into the habit of reading. Get out of, meaning leave, avoid. Examples: I get out of bed. You get out of the car. Get out of here. We get out of work. Don't get out of work early. You get out of the taxi. Get out of the room. I get out of the meeting. Ready to speak English more naturally? Start practicing these phrases today. Follow at LearningLishavari to join our learning community and never miss a tip. Happy learning!